Hiccups, the tiny muscle spasm that makes a big noise. But why do we hiccup? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, gets a little out of sync. It contracts suddenly, making you gulp air and voila, a hiccup. But what triggers it? Eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, or even just getting excited can cause hiccups. Your brain sends mixed signals to your diaphragm saying, "Hey, let's hiccup." Usually they go away on their own, but holding your breath or drinking water slowly can help.